To Top Trading Edge, folks. Today 15th September, Sunday, and see what the market look like. So what do you see, folks? Here, look at the technicals right here, where the market trying to go down, 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 big red candle, and boom, reversal. What kind of reversal is this, folks? Deceptive reversal. Okay, not the real reversal, but this is the doji candle, and then the bullish hammer candle, and then reversal. All right, so technically look like a little bullish, but folks, remember, there's a bunch of bears here, and then market all of a sudden reversal happen. There will be some sort of pain involved here, right? The market was going high here, and market reverse here, some sort of pain here, right? So somebody posted in our group, folks. So there are a few things we're gonna look into it, folks. Okay, today we're gonna look into, there's a lot of caveat market has it. So be patientful today. There's a lot more we're gonna look into. So what we're gonna look into today, folks? We're gonna look into what are the caveat. FOMC meeting Wednesday we have. We also need to look into what Jerome Powell gonna do. He's gonna cut the rate 1/4% or a half, right? Market is also looking into, because 30% chance that they could go probably 1/2%. If that happens, also market could react to it, right? And then market is all the way at the top. Market is testing all the way all-time high, folks. Okay, very close to all-time high. Market conditions are bullish, right? And then we look into also the buyback. The buyback expiry, the blackout period starts to, remember, 15th. So that buyback blackout period starts to. So there's a lot of caveat market has, and plus we have so many stocks are right now looking bullish, right? So there's so many things we're gonna look into it, and we're gonna nail it down what the market gonna look like this coming week and two. All right, it's not only for 1 week. We're gonna look into few things, and we're gonna look into FOMC planning also. But before that, folks, a lot of people are asking me, Josh, you did not run into any discount for last few months. So I thought, you know what, let me give you something. So folks, what you do is you can see all these classes I offer, right? Education classes are, those who are already follow me enough, they know. So these are the education classes. You can take a screenshot, all different classes, right? What I'm gonna do is, we did this on a Black Friday last year, Black Friday deal. I'm gonna give you that for only good for 1 day. Okay, so those who wants to use, so people who are in alert room, they're paying $1,000, right, folks? You can get it for, you can get $250 extra discount. You can, right here, instead of paying $1,000, you get it for $750. You can pay for 2 months right here, and you can get it for $1,500. So these are the discount. So just to give you idea, people who want to take a technical fundamental class, right here, technical intraday class, right? Then you getting for right here, you getting for $750. Instead of that, you pay $650. Right? If you're taking 2-3 class, you can combine these, folks. So this is the only good for 1 day. Remember, so if you want to take that advantage, whenever I offer you, folks, that time you take it. Don't ask me the discount in the middle somewhere, anywhere. When I offer you, take that time. So right here, anytime you want to do, I mean, any classes you want to pick, right here is the list. How to make a payment, you already know, Zelle, Cash App, or any questions you have, that's the number. You can text me right here. Okay, you can pick any classes. Remember, folks, these deals are only for individual classes, not the package deal. Remember, you cannot combine a package deal and say I want to do that, because package deal already have a discount. That's what I mean to say. Okay, but yeah, you can go with the any classes you like. Supply demand class, we never have a discount, right? We don't believe in that way. We believe in whenever I give you, and take it, right? So do this. This is the, take a screenshot, how to make a payment. If you have any question, number is right here, you can text me. All right, and if you want to, do not email, folks. Don't use the email. All right, so that's the information, and payment information is right here. And how to make a payment, you can scan this and make a payment if you want to do that, or you can type it in. This is the information for the payment. Okay, all right, let's go back to the important part, folks. So we're gonna lay out both the stuff. Okay, so first, somebody posted in our group that, Josh, there is a so those who wants to join, folks, this is our group where we have almost 1,000 people here, folks. Those who wants to join, right here, free of charge, one time. I'm gonna bring it here, just a second. I'm gonna bring it to you. So if people say, Josh, I want to join the alert room, let me see, folks. Okay, I'm gonna bring you, so if you want to scan that and join the main group, you can join it right here. You can scan this one to join the main group. Main group to join, this is the one you can scan, right? It will request you to join WhatsApp group right here. Okay, this is this group. When you scan this, it will take you into this group. Which group? This, where all this, all right, everybody's here and we go through chit chat here. All right, so let's look into, somebody posted that, hey Josh, we have a lot of pain going on. So let's look at the market. So this is your expiry date, folks. So last Friday expiry was 13 September and the max pain was at around 552. What did market close on 13th? Right here. They took it exit. Right here. It was here on a 30 August and then 6th. Somewhere around they took it to 540 and now we are at here 13 August we close here at around 563, right? So pretty much just a second, 5 we are about, that time we were lower, market was lower and market went up, which is, that was the pain. Now right now the pain is at expiry on a September 20, which is coming Friday. Now remember folks, we have a cord witching month, folks. Okay, remember there's a blackout period starts for buyback breakout period, plus we have a cord witching month, plus we have this pain 540, plus market looking solid bullish, plus we have FOMC, plus we have Jerome Powell probably gonna say, you know, 1/4%, he gonna maybe say 0.5%, something, right? There's so many caveat week, folks, just imagine, right? But we need to nail it down different way, and I will show you, folks. Okay, so be patient full here. So this is the pain, folks, right here, the 4. So whenever what is pain? Whenever the market, as a market maker, they always try to go back to the where the pains are, but they could stretch. Sometimes they could stretch, folks. Okay, it could be, you don't know which date they're gonna go, but this is the expiry date right now is showing 20 September. The expiry date is a 540, right? So what does it mean? They're gonna go right away on Monday, start going? They could break out also and go higher, and then they could trap also. So just look at everything from different angles. So anyway, so this is the pain is around, and highest pain we have, folks, right now. Look at that, you know, almost out of money puts is almost right there, 540 pain, right? Expiry is September 20. All right, so let's close this and we're gonna look into more technical. So let's now read the technicals, and then we're gonna look into the FOMC and Jerome Powell and histories and God knows what not we're gonna add into today. Today will be a lengthy, long video, folks. Okay, but we're gonna learn a lot, right? That's what is our expertise. So that would help us. All right, so what exactly do you read, folks? Technical fundamental class applies, technical intraday class applies, and if you look at here, MACD is in a bull territory, curling up. Look at that, curling up, and bulls are, cloud conditions are bullish, sloping support is intact, point A to point B, bounce. Now we retest here, there's a supply demand class applies. What did we do? This was your demand area, folks. Remember, 530, and we bounced from here. We were expecting to go lower if they could break this, but did they break that? Previous low did not. I mean, the demand, they did not flip. If the demand did not flip and market want to bounce, absolutely, then we were expecting market to reject around 555. If they do that, we're gonna short, but they did not do. They flipped the supply and market went up. Now we are heading to next supply. So there are a lot of things that are happening, folks. So what do you think? Just a lot of things are happening, folks. Look at here, what is happening. This is your cup and handle. Okay, this is your cup and handle. Market is, where did it go? Right here, right? Man, it's gonna take a long time this video if I keep drawing this, right? Alrighty. Okay, anyway, so let's keep this simple, right? So this is cup and handle look like right now. Okay, you see that? So cup and handle means if market wants to break out the upper level. So do you think, Josh, market gonna break out this cup and handle pattern will be played? Folks, cup and handle to develop, it takes a lot of time, lot of money to create this. Okay, so let's let's understand this cup and handle, whether it's going to happen or not. So what do you see, folks, here? Look at the squeeze firing up right now. MACD trying to cross here, and if they break out here, that could fire up and we could create a diversion. Also could be bearish diversion. Right now squeeze is looking bullish. MACD in a bull territory pointing north. That means the condition is bullish. Everything technical is telling me bullish. Only thing is we have the supply, but we have the point C zone right here, folks. Okay, so apply your SPX class, you understand. Okay, so most likely, folks, market wants to go higher. Now there are two things what could happen. When they're gonna go, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, FOMC day, right? Whenever FOMC day is, market normally moves $10 easy, folks. SPY goes 10 handles. If that 10 handle, if they break it up, everybody become bullish, and the cord witching month is Friday expiry. Remember, folks, buyback blackout has already started, right? That could create chaos also if that happens, folks. Right now technical is telling me bullish, just to let you know. Technical is telling me bullish, but if you look at the max pain is telling me that I want to go back to 540. So we have a two mixed signal. Remember, two mixed signal. The con data is telling me that we should be going down, and all the candles are telling me I want to go higher, folks. This is like a I want to go higher. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trade by the let the market maker. They definitely gonna create a trap, folks. They will create a trap, and you could, the more the trap they create, the better the discount you're gonna get. I hope you're getting my point. Discount means the premium will be cheaper. So these premiums, it become cheaper and cheaper, right? And then everything, all the puts are right now burning, right? All these puts, market going up and up and up and up and up, and expiry on a 20. That, so the longer they go, hold the price up there, the more the pain the put buyer has it, correct? And that's what could happen. So how far they go, that is what we need to find out. So right now, I mean, market could, we have the all-time highs here, so most likely market could test, and something could happen, but this time I feel like we want to go. So look at this, remember point C zone, so we test, second time we bounce. So let's look in the similar event, folks. Okay, let me get rid of these so you can clearly watch. Okay, all right, so let's see. So when this kind of event happen, so these points, so the bottoms are rising, you see that. Now the tops here was falling but sloping resistance. Remember, folks, you have to understand the technical thing what I teach you in the classes. Otherwise you'll be just like acting as another dummy in another group, another community. You just say, Josh, tell me what I want to buy. That's not the way, folks. You need to understand this market maker create a trap. Learn that. Look at the value of the sloping resistance here. Once this flip, look at the market went up and how much money we could print. Same thing. Now what happening here? The market trying to catch the faster spread. This is your sloping support, point A to point B. Did we test this? No. Market says I want to go higher right away. So this is market creating a fast track. What do you think here? Absolutely they want to break this, but this, we are here right now. So there are two ways they can break. Remember, folks, now we are talking about here 1, 2 and 3 days is right there. So, and then the Friday. So 5 days of the work we need to figure here. So look like they want to break, folks. Okay, all-time high they want to break, but how do? Do they gonna go and break on Monday, or they pull back in 555 here and retest and then go? Most likely they could do that. If they do that, they wouldn't mind moving $10 candle in on FOMC day, right? So if their pullback is healthy, or they can just go and break Monday or Tuesday, right? And then FOMC everybody become bullish probably, and then dump it and get the pain done. But the pain is here, right? That's the pain area. So these are the thesis, folks. Okay, bull side and bear side. Right now conditions are bullish. Remember that. That means they want to test the all-time high. We already had the one all-time high. So the picture perfect setup is, folks, if you apply this, right, if you apply the blackout period time when there is no buyer in the market and market makers are just fooling us, right, as if they are going, yeah, but they are going. If they are going, we're gonna go with them. But when they take a U-turn, we want to know when they will take. That is the time the money people can print. Why? Because everything will be dirt cheap. Remember, it could be dirt cheap, because if you buy a put here and you think gonna go lower and then take a U-turn, that $10 put right now here is $1. Right, you getting my point? Example, SPY, put any expiry, 20 expiry, right? Just to give you an idea. So that's what it look like. So conditions are nice and bullish. Where they're gonna reverse, that's what I'm gonna keep my eyes open, folks. If anything happens, I will post it on the weekdays also. If anything weekdays I notice, because right now we are not doing everyday market update video, because we used to have that group where it's a paid group used to, but right now I'm not doing it. But look at that, folks. Right now looking want to go. All right, so let's look at into little shorter time frame so we all understand. All right, so look at the cluster area, folks. Look at that. So market is very close to overbought area. Overbought, we could be around 565, 570, something like that could be overbought. But right now we are at the sitting at the top area. Where would be the top is? All the smart monies are sitting around 560, 563 area right now, where we are sitting there. And look at the MACD is keep creating a bearish divergence since 3 days ago. Since 3 days ago, last Wednesday, market keep creating bearish divergence, but conditions are bullish. All right, so if they pull back, is bullish. Continue squeeze coming in, still bullish. All right, so keep this thing in mind. This is the cluster area for the 30-minute charts. This is 30-minute chart. It looks bullish. We're gonna look into 1 hour charts and see what still look like. All right, so 1 hour chart showing you little weakness on the MACD, maybe filling up the gas, but projections are saying no, I'm super bullish. That's what it looks like here on a 1 hour chart. Look at the condition is nice and strong and bullish. Same thing when I look into 4 hour charts, and the table is turning and say I want to break the upward. Look at the bears are giving up. MACD want to go, volume lining up, and we are right at the top area, and we have little room to. The MACD has a lot more room to go up if they want to take it up. Right? This is 4 hour chart. Is very close to 1 day chart. So this is your 1 day daily chart, which is market trying to cross squeeze continue. Right? So let's go back to 30 minutes. So in this scenario, folks, look like bullish, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look into some more charts. So I saw a lot of stocks which could be. So we're gonna look into QQQQQ real quick. All right. So let's look into QQQ. So QQQ keep creating a bearish divergence, but maybe look like MACD filling up the gas to shoot up. That's how I see here, bearish divergence. If you see the oscillator zero down here, entering into bear territory, right, then we got to be a little careful, but conditions are still bullish. Why? That's why QQQ, I like QQQ, folks, on a bull side if they shoot up, and then rejection if they do it. We need to find out what their game plan would be. We need a bigger move. Okay, whenever we see bigger move, so FOMC, they can shoot up and then take it down on Thursday, Friday, probably, if they do that way, or just take it down the FOMC day and then bounce. No, that I don't think that way, folks. I think they're gonna take it down Monday, Tuesday, and then shoot up, because after FOMC going down doesn't look feasible. All right, let them do whatever they do. Right now conditions are bullish. We're gonna see on the bull side if anything, but if they pull back little bit healthy, like I said, pull back is a healthy if they pull back, all right, which is this area. Keep it in mind. All right, let me see here, pull back. All right, so 460 if they want to pull back, which is possible. If they want to pull back is healthy. If they want to pull back, sorry, this is QQQ. Yeah, 460 if they want to pull back, which is less likely, man, less likely QQQ. Okay, but you never know, folks. It could happen also, right? But right now looking bullish, little pullback and then bounce. The QQQ, look for this area 482 and 461. Let the market maker decide. FOMC day. So I'll be posting. I will be announcing live. Always join, folks. If you want to join Top Trading Edge, folks, I go every day live, folks. Okay, sorry, not this. Every day live, and you can join the group right here. You can join the group, and I'll give you every day update. Join on Top Trading Edge. Type it on top YouTube, Top Trading Edge, one word, and I go every day live 7 hours, and I give you my running commentary about the market update. All right, so you can join on YouTube every day or all. Anyway, so this is looking now, the QQQ also looking bullish, but little divergence going on last 3 days. Okay, that's that. Let's look into Bitcoin, folks. Okay, Bitcoin was bullish. I saw the Bitcoin had a little bullish candle showed up already. Okay, you see that Bitcoin sloping resistance creating Bitcoin right there. So let's see. Bitcoin is sideways, folks. Okay, sideways bullish because Bitcoin is creating bullish divergence here, but still in MACD looking bullish, squeeze coming in. So if Bitcoin breaks this area, you want Bitcoin to break 61 area, 61 in order to go to 64. Okay, until then, most likely this could break, but we just to give we need market to move up. All right, so this could have, if this breaks, then we could go higher to 65. If this got a rejection, then look for to retest area here, and we could go lower. So most likely we need to watch for this area right now. The conditions are not the bullish, okay, right now. Sorry about that. This is not the bullish condition, but it's creating a diversion, right? Squeeze coming in. So we are flipping the direction. I think market could flip, but this is critical junction, folks. 61 need to flip in order to be bullish. Until then, just be careful, okay, because we are in the junction at that area. This is your supply area, that's why. All right, so Bitcoin is 50-50 signal looking. You follow, we are creating a bullish divergence here, but we have the, if you do apply supply demand class right here, we got the supply, most likely could flip that, but the signals are not powerful enough. So that means, if you ask me, Bitcoin doesn't wants to go right away. It doesn't look strong bullish. You getting my point? It's not strong bullish, it's like a sideways bullish. All right, keep that thing in mind on a Bitcoin. That's what it look like. All right, now we're gonna look into Apple and mega cap stock, few stock real quick. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but Apple trying to create a, Apple is testing the demand area 221, which we mentioned last week also. Still bullish, little sideways action on 221. Okay, folks, so this area, if Apple flips 221, then we can go to 208. Why? Because it's creating sloping resistance. I don't like. So if this happens, we bounce at the demand, and Apple might break, folks. Okay, might break down Apple right here. So any rejection, any bounce, any rejection, if this flips 220 area, folks, then you could have an easy money to go to 208. Okay, that's your Apple. Let's look into Microsoft. Was super bullish few days, right, folks? Look at that. Microsoft W pattern sloping support. So Microsoft looking good right here, but we are at the supply area, folks, 430. So maybe, yes, this supply will be flipped. Look like they want to flip it, but let the market check on Monday, Tuesday, see how. But Microsoft looking bullish. All right, so Microsoft could go higher, right? So this is your Microsoft. Okay, we don't want to, we're gonna keep moving further fast because trying to cross the cloud. MACD crossing look like a little bullish, but we are at the supply. Once we flip 430, folks, then we easily go to 450 area. That's what look like Microsoft. Okay, that's Microsoft. Tesla. All right, Tesla looking, man, Tesla looking little bullish, squeeze firing, no volume. Bearish condition, no volume, trying to be bullish, bearish, both signal, folks. Okay, above the cloud, but MACD in a bull territory, squeeze firing. These are the bullish signal, but the condition is slightly bearish, not the because of supply area, folks. So if you want to be bullish, market need to cross 235. Right, candle has to close above 235, folks. Okay, 235. So this is the area I would not go long right now. Let the market maker go first, whether they really want to go or not. That's why. Okay, so looking 60% bullish, 40% chances that it could be part of the trap also. Why? Because we have so many events are coming, we have a lot of catalysts coming in. That's why reason. Okay, never go long at the top, right? Never go short at the bottom, just in case, right? Because you apply the setting. So setup is semi bullish, right? That's fine. So 235 flip, then it's good, man. Then you could go and 260. But if happen, then only. If this get a rejection and dump on FOMC day or another after FOMC, right? Then they could go to 202, right? That's why. Right, so that's Tesla. I would not be trading Tesla because of the way setup. Let the market maker do something. If you want to trade Tesla, folks, I would not go long side. I would have wait for the rejection, or I would wait for the supply to flip. If you want to go long side, let the supply flip, let the candle close, then only above this, then only, or let the 235 to cross. Okay, that's your Tesla. But what I like, that what I can tell you folks right now. Okay, so what, remember a few weeks ago I said about the TLT. So what I like about the TLT, folks, is look at the conditions around daily. TLT is getting better. So if slowly, these are TLTs are all, folks, these are few months, few quarters. Okay, this is not like a 1 month, 2 months you can trade TLT. TLT is a lengthy process. Okay, lengthy, like a year, something like that. But I like the TLT conditions and everything is changing. Looking now lately bullish. Look, TLT. Now we bottom out and TLT now curling up, and I laid out the TLT looking wants to go slowly higher. Okay, so major area we try to flip 100 and then we could go higher. So I like the TLT for long term. All right, I like the gold also. So what gold is doing now, we are upward channel breaking upward and gold wants to go higher, folks. Okay, gold could, but you don't want to change anything at the top, right? So that's why if any pullback is a good buy. Gold is holding good, gold looking good, looking bullish, but no need to change because we are nice 2 days bullish. But gold is looking great. MACD cross, volume coming in, so gold wants to go to 26, 27, something like 2700, something like that. So that gold is looking good too. What I like about is Unity, folks. We mentioned Unity last week, folks, that that Unity looks good, and now Unity wants to go to 25. That's what we mentioned. Look at that, MACD entering into bull territory. Look at the light under the tunnel, squeeze coming. Look at the cloud. Look at that. How cheap are you getting the Unity, folks? I loved Unity when I said it was $15, $16, folks. Look at that now, already $20. Unity could print because of all the cyclical stocks. They are undervalued. They want to take it up. They are lagged, not undervalued. Remember, they are undervalued, but they are lagged. They need to support, right? If you want to bring the economy up, they need to support all these things, right? So probably that could be the case. Look at the Unity. I love Unity when it was 15, 16. Still they want to go. Unity is a long way to go. Look at the fundamentals are good, so I like Unity. All right, and I've been saying this every market update video. I like Chewy. These are all heavily shorted stock. They shorted right here $120. They brought it down to the $10, $15. Now they're taking it up, right? These are all, look at that, MACD in a bull territory. Continue. Look at the setup. Not the best setup on these, but at least you can still go 80% a good setup, right? So these can slowly going. Any pullback you can get, right? These are nice setup on a Chewy. That's what I like. Then another one, Lulu. Remember I said the oversold Lulu. Now Lulu started creating sloping support. Look at that, Lulu. They dumped from $516. They took it down to $227. This is how you buy the dirt cheap, folks. People say, Josh, how do you invest money? This is how you, good company, you got to wait for a year, 2 years, 3 years, never know how long. But when they go, and when sometime they dump, look at the dump here, how far they came back. They came level 2020. Pre-pandemic time they were here. Now that's the price you got in Lululemon. You know what? How much profit they are making, man, folks? $3 EPS, folks. You're getting at around 250, right? That's the area. Now Lululemon wants to go higher, but this is not a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, folks. This is the process of long term, right? So I like the Lululemon long side. Then Ulta Beauty. Remember I said Ulta Beauty somebody wanted to buy, and I said no, man, I would love to wait. This is the process of when Ulta Beauty was dumping, right? And look at that. Now we started creating the sloping support, right? Right here is your support. right? And trying to cross the cloud. Look at the setup, folks. Alta Beauty. Look at that. You know, this is a dirt cheap, folks. You're getting Alta Beauty, folks. This is a dirt cheap. Yep, it is a dirt cheap. So I like that. But remember, market maker do play dirty game in between. That you got to keep it in mind. But look like this is how you buy, right? Dirt cheap at the bottom, not at the top. No need to chase, folks. Okay, but okay, you have to use your disclaimer, folks. Disclaimer means you have to do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very, very risky, folks. You could lose your money. Remember. Then what I like about is ZI, one of the Zoom info. That chart is also like, look at oversold $80 stock. They took it down to $10. Now something first time in last 3 months changing the cloud conditions, going up, macro looking bullish, right? Look at that positive EPS. So I like this stock to Zoom info. I don't know the company info, folks. You can do homework and all, but this is look like after a long time it could be turning bullish because it's divergent, bullish divergent. That's what's key. These are the stocks I thought to make it, so you can use it, apply it, verify it, whatever before you do. All right. So cpng that has a nice bullish also. Look at that, curling up, right? Macro in a bull territory, continuous squeeze coming in. These are all nice squeeze coming in lately, folks. Okay, these are the stocks which I mentioned, and the conditions have turned in bullish on the cpng also. And these are heavily shorted stock, but these are longer process, folks. Okay, they are not right away because they are cyclical stocks, folks. Market maker do take a tolls. What do you mean by tolls? Look at this, going up and boom, going up and boom, like that. So plan accordingly. Okay, all right. So folks, this is most likely, you know, we have a lot of event coming in. So Jerome Powell, folks, when he comes, you know, on a Wednesday, we need to see what the market update. Everybody think, Josh, what do you think, 1/4% interest or 0.5%? What do you think market will react? Folks, there's a two side always we see, right? We don't look at the one side, means bullish and bearish. So all this is caveat. Market maker play dirty games, and in that case, the best thing is to let the market start Monday, Tuesday, how they perform, because we need to see their game plan, right? We need to see their moves, right? When the boxing starts between two players, right? You're gonna see how the boxer, you know, reacts. Same thing over here too. We need to see how they move on Monday, Tuesday. We'll find out. For you, it's far better to wait for it. Let them move, so we get to know that what are the traps are, you know. So that is what I would look into it rather than jumping in right away. Okay, so looking, sorry, let me go to SPY. So looking like everything bullish. So let me show you something interesting. So then you see. So Josh, is this, how do you say, Josh, this is bullish? Okay, so let me show you similar type of event. Look at the cloud condition, how they are sideways. They are not, you know, apply your technical class, folks, you know, learn. I tell you, folks, okay, if you don't educate yourself and you just keep throwing money to market maker, then nobody could help you, folks, right? What I tell you is take education classes, folks. When I teach you, right, where did it go? Right here, right? This is the deal which I'm trying to give you. Right now I give you offer is a 1 day, folks. Okay, by tomorrow you can go for it. By tomorrow, whatever you can. So how does this works? So say for example, you're taking alert room, right? If you want to pay the alert room $1,000 cost, that's what everybody paying, alert room $1,000, right? So alert room $1,000, you only pay $750. Instead of paying $1,000, you go and pay $750 because you're getting $250 discount. So people say, Josh, I want to sign up for 2-month alert room. Yep, you can go and sign up, get a $500 discount now. When I give you, you take it, right? Book the product. When you want to come to me and say, Josh, that's the regular price everybody pays. So don't get offended. But when I give you, take it. So if you want to take right now, you can go and pay out to the $1,500 and you can sign up. You get it for 2 months, right? 30 days, 6 months. I mean 60 days basically you get. Just to give you idea. You can apply whatever you want to use it, any amount you want to use. This is the things what I was offering you last year, Black Friday. Thought to give you, open a window for 1 day, folks. Okay, I'm only doing for 1 day This because been 3-4 months I never did a discount. People are telling me, Josh, you have a discount, so I feel embarrassing that I'm not giving something. So I thought to give you everybody the same. Then you can apply it whatever you want to do it. You can do it into this. Look into this. You can apply whatever. You can take as many classes you want to prepare. Okay. All right. So what I was trying to explain you here is, folks, let's look into the what exactly market is going higher and how similar setup we need to look into. So what I noticed is, folks, similar setup we had. When was it? Hold on. You know what? When market was here, folks, look at that. This point to this point is higher, right? This point is right similar setup, right? And market bounce here. So let's look into here similar event. Look at the cloud condition now here. You see this here? So I'm gonna bring it down to similar like that and see what market did. Look at the condition. Look at this. Look at the cloud. Look at the reversal market. This point to this point is going higher. So everybody worried that we're gonna go higher or we're gonna go lower. Look at the MACD. Okay, and let's see replay. This is one candle represent 1 day of the work. Look at the cloud condition here. Look at the MACD. Look at the volume, everything. Look at that breakout, right? All time high, right? Breakout. Look at the squeeze. Look at the MACD crossing, right? Boom, 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 bullish. So this point to this point is fast track, right? From here to here, fast track. Look at that. Apply your intraday class, you can understand. Look at the cloud, look at the MACD, look at the squeeze, look at the volume. Boom, 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 right? Those are the game market played. Similar like that setup I see now. And even cancel this. Right there. Look at this squeeze, MACD crossing, cloud conditions are sideways bullish, right? We are all very close to all-time high. Technical event. Remember, market maker loves technical event. We had a technical event here. We were super bullish, and these people took it up, gap up, and go on the next day, and then dump right away. Everybody, max pain, max gain, right? So they did that. Now they did exact opposite and went there, and now they are going here. And what would happen? That we got to find out. All right. So right now look like technically bullish, right? But the pain is ahead, which is the blackout period, FOMC. So we're gonna see, folks, okay, how this week could be an interesting week, folks. Okay, you got to plan your things, whatever you want to plan it, but I'm sure somebody gonna print crazy money. This video will be worth $1 million, folks. I'm telling you, it's a free of charge. Use it wherever you think you could, but apply the education. Without education, speculating not good, folks. Okay. All right, so folks, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you want to share anywhere you could. Please help other community, folks. We do not have any website for joining the class or nothing, folks. If you want to join, no problem. Just here is the number. You can ask any questions you have. All right, right here is the number. All right, and see you guys tomorrow morning. If you're new to the community, type it in Top Trading Edge, one word, on YouTube. See you morning 9:30, folks. Monday morning. Take care, everybody. Bye.